The Earth, our home. Good morning, student. I'm Shivani, and I'm going to teach you class 3rd social studies subject. Today we are going to discuss the topic, the Earth, our home. Yes, this is Earth, and this is our home because we all are living here. This is the planet. So first we will know what is Earth. Earth is a planet, and we are living on Earth. Do you have any idea what is the shape of the Earth? Yes, exactly. Here in the picture you can see that this is Earth. So this Earth is in a round in shape. So this is in a round. But people believe in early time that the Earth was flat in shape and had edges. In fact, they feared to travel far. They thought they would fall off. But no, this is not flat surface. It is in a round in a shape. You know, student, that a man whose name was Ferdinand Magellan, he was a Portuguese sailor. Yes, he's a sailor. And in the year 1590, he started a journey from Spain. Yes, he started to sail his boat from Spain, and he sailed in the same direction for 3 years, and he reached the same place. From one fixed point he started to sail his boat, and he took 3 years, and then after 3 years he came to the same point from where he was started to sail his boat. This journey proved that the Earth is round like a ball. Yes, the man Ferdinand Magellan, he was a sailor of Portuguese. He started to sail his boat from one fixed point, and after 3 years, when he came to the same point from where he was started to sail his boat, then the people thought that Earth is round. Like Earth, there are 8 planets. Yes, but this is our home because we are living on Earth, because it has a very favorable condition for us, favorable atmosphere for us. We get air, water, oxygen. So we are able to survive, we are able to live on Earth. So I will tell you about the planets' name, that is Mercury, Earth, Jupiter, Uranus, Venus, Mars, Saturn, and Neptune. I will repeat it once again, and you also repeat it with me. Mercury, Earth, Jupiter, Uranus, Venus, Mars, Saturn, and Neptune. Yes, Earth is the only planet on which life is possible. Yes, I will tell you why. I have discussed it now. Why Earth is the only planet on which life is possible? Because we get oxygen, we get air, we get water. This Earth is also called a blue planet. Why it is called a blue planet? Because see this green part here, this all green part is a land, and this blue part is a water. So when we will see the Earth from the space, it's look in a blue color, it seems a blue color. So that's why it is known as a blue planet. 3rd, 4th part is water, and 1/4 part is land. So that's why it is called blue planet. 75% of what you can see means in Earth, 75% of water. So 3/4 is land, and 3/4 is water, and 1/4 is land. Because Earth is called the blue planet as there is more water on its surface. It blue from the space. That is why it is called a blue planet. Okay, so this is our earth, our home, and we are living here. Not only humans are living here, animals are living here. It is good for the plants and trees because they get oxygen, they get water. So all living beings are living in this planet. I told you about the name of the man who sailed the boat. His name was Ferdinand Magellan and was the first man to sail around the world. And his journey proved that the earth is roundish shape. It is not in a flat shape, it is round in shape. So student, this is today you know about the earth and how we come to know that earth is a round in shape. So in the next video we will discuss about the rotation and revolution of the earth, and we will also learn the